Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with Index Nifty. Bears continue to dominate over bulls for the second consecutive trading session. Nifty opened with the gap down and remained in a range in first part of trading session. In second half, we could witness sell-off just intensified and index closed near to the day low. On daily scale, index continued to hold the support of 20 MA, which lays around 14,900 levels. If index fails to sustain above those levels on a closing basis, then we can expect index to remain in a bearish momentum, and in coming days, we can expect index to move towards 14,700 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. On daily scale, index tried to bridge the bearish trendline resistance on multiple occasions, but it failed to do so. RSI continued to dip, indicating weakness in index. It failed to sustain about 20 MA on daily scale, but for now, index is holding the horizontal support level, which lays around 14,600 levels. Index closing below that level, then we can expect index to move towards 14,000 levels. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty IT index. On daily scale, index continued to trade inside the bearish channel. It failed to sustain above the support of 20 MA. RSI is gradually moving towards the south direction, indicating weakness in index. Index below 25,050 levels, we expect to remain in a bearish momentum and move towards the channel support, which lays around 24,250 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to talk about is Amara Raja Battery. On daily scale, stock failed to surpass the horizontal resistance and it continued to trade below that level. Stock continued to trade below 20 MA, indicating continuation of bearish momentum. A strong bearish candle could be witnessed at the resistance level. RSI is moving towards the south direction, indicating weakness in stock. So we expect stock below 890 levels to continue to move towards 825 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Kajaria Ceramics. On daily scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. Stock continued to trade about 20 MA, indicating continuation of bullish momentum. Currently, stock is trading near to the verge of horizontal resistance breakout. Rise of volume on a bullish candle, indicating accumulation of stock. Stock above 999 levels, we expect to continue with this bullish momentum, and in coming days we can expect stock to move towards 1140 levels. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.